Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Kom and thank you so much for tuning in. So for today's video, I have a very interesting video. It is going to be little things that make me feel put together. Basically, I am going to show you all some beauty products, some accessories, some watches. That's what made me feel very put together this past few days, and it's going to be a very fun video. I am going to show you all so many things, so video end tak zarur dekhna kyunki I'm so sure that you guys are going to love the products, and I'm sure that this is going to be so helpful to you guys क्योंकि it's affordable and the quality is so good. I will be linking everything in my description box. You guys can go and check it out. बहुत जल्दी out of stock हो जाता है, so you guys can just go and grab it for yourself. Also, the top that I'm wearing right now, this is from Amazon. It's from this brand named as Vero Moda. The quality is amazing and I love the quality. It has that blazer wala material, and look at the detailing also. It has this pearl here and it looks amazing. So you guys can go and check it out if you guys are interested. There's another color available as well, but I like this color and it looks really good. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So here are 3 beauty products that I can't stop talking about. So let's start with this one. This is Michelle Cushion foundation. I'm sure you guys have seen me carrying this a lot of times because I have shown this so many times in my vlogs, and this is a product I am obsessed with. This was introduced to me by one of my sister, and you know, like, she was using this और उन्होंने मेरे को कहा कि एक बार यूज़ कर लो, you might like it. And you know what, जब मैंने लगाया मेरे को ठीक ठाक ही लगा, बट व्हेन आई वाज इन कार एंड व्हेन आई वाज ट्राइंग टू टेक अ सेल्फी, तब मेरे को देखा कि मेरे शक्ल में ना, लाइक, देयर वाज नो पिगमेंटेशन, नथिंग, लाइक नथिंग वाज विजिबल, एंड आई वाज लाइक वाओ, दैट लुक्स सो फ्लॉलेस एंड दैट लुक्स सो गुड. So I wanted to get one. So here is the one that I got. And you know what guys, the best thing is it has SPF 50 and PA+++, which is a very good thing क्योंकि I'll be applying sunscreen, उसके बाद I'll be applying this. So it has like double protection and it's very flawless, and also it's made in Korea. So you guys know, like, Korea and skincare, everything, like, their beauty products are so good. बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है स्किन में. So I would highly recommend you all. And today I am filming from my phone. So अगर आपको मेरी शक्ल में कुछ भी ऐसा पिगमेंटेशन वगैरह कुछ भी दिखाई नहीं दे रहे, then it's because of this one. क्योंकि I have stopped applying concealer also. Now this is the only thing that I apply on my face. और जो Amazon में sell कर रहे हैं ना, that is the original one because seller is Misha only. So yeah, you guys can go and check it out. Again, I'm so sure that you guys have seen me using this in my vlogs so many times. And this lip balm, I am like seriously obsessed. You know the best thing guys, it is tinted. So this is a tinted lip balm, and there are days when I don't want to wear any lipstick or any lip tint, then I like to wear this because I also like the gloss, but I don't like to apply पहले lipstick उसके बाद lip gloss. ऐसा मेरे को बहुत पैची सा लगता है. So I like to use this and I am obsessed guys. Like, it's so good. I discovered this recently because I found this in my sister's pouch and I was like, I want to try this lip balm, and trust me guys, I am like so obsessed with it. It might look so much right now because मैंने already lip tint लगा के रखा था. So yeah, but इसका जो original shade है ना, it's so good. Let me just swatch it for you guys. Like, look at this guys. It's so glowy, it's so lightweight. I love it. I would highly recommend you all if you guys are looking for a lip balm but in a tinted one. This is amazing. I'll link this for you all. Here's the last one from beauty product. I have showed you all this recently also in my skincare video, and let me tell you all, this is another thing, like another beauty product that I am obsessed with, because this is a sunscreen and this is like a spray one, so you don't have to, you know, like, use your hand to blend it also. And another reason why I love this is because I have very dry skin, and there are days I look like ekdam dry. At that time I just like to spray it like this and I am good to go. So yeah, and now you guys can see that my skin looks so dewy and so hydrated. So this is another product that you guys will see me carrying it all the time. So these are my 3 favorite beauty products for now. Okay, so moving on to the next section, I am going to be showing you all some bracelets. I actually have 2 bracelets to show you all, and I have another one too, but I don't know where I kept it, so I'm just going to talk about the 2 that I have right now. This is the one that I got from Sarojini Nagar, but you know what guys, you can easily find it on Amazon for the same price. So you guys can go and check out this one because it looks very chic. Like, look at this, guys. I've been wearing this a lot and I just realized recently कि एक bracelet आपका मतलब outfit बहुत अच्छा करा सकता है. So you guys can go and check it out. This is available for like 280, 300, 350 ऐसा. तो मैं link कर दूँगी. So you guys can go and check out that one. Now here's another bracelet that I got last month and I have carried it a lot. So I think I'm the right person to talk about this. So it came in this, okay, and here I have two. This is like a combo, guys. This one is the classic one, which I already own one, but I don't have this glitter thingy in that, so I ordered again. And here's another one which has this amazing detailing. So let me try it on and show you all. इसका तो ना आपको चिंता ही नहीं होगा क्योंकि you can open this and wear it. Like, you have to just press it and it's open. It looks very good, guys. So this is how it looks. इसके लिए ना मेरा हाथ I think थोड़ा बहुत बड़ा है क्योंकि whenever I put this ना I always have to go through थोड़ा सा scratch. But देखो guys कितना pretty लग रहे हैं. Let me just wear my other watch and show you all because I think that will look better. Okay, look at this, guys. It looks so pretty. इसका जो price है ना ये combo का, ये दो ब्रेसलेट का, it is for like 450 something या 499 या maybe 350 something, and it is in such a good quality. It is anti-tarnish and the quality is amazing, so I'll link this one for you all. You guys can go and check it out. And this is a bracelet that you can carry it almost every day. It looks amazing, guys. Okay, so we're done with the bracelet section. Now let me show you all some of my watch collection. Okay, so let's start with this watch only, the one that I wore just now. It is from this brand named as Titan. The quality is amazing and I've been wearing it for like past 2 years or maybe past 1 year. I got this from Amazon only for myself on my birthday. I think I got it last year. Yeah, last year on February. So it has been a while and the battery is still so good. The quality is amazing. There's nothing like, you know, color chala gaya, aisa kuch bhi nahi hai. Now let me show you all the next one, which is in silver color. I have only this watch in silver, and you know what, guys, iska price hai only 1000 rupees. And I got this क्योंकि ना मेरे को एक कैसियो का वॉच चाहिए था which was थोड़ा सा expensive, like 4000 ऐसा. But I wanted to get थोड़ा affordable में क्योंकि watch is something that I don't really wear always क्योंकि याद भी नहीं बैठते सच बोलूँ तो. It also has like this same, you know, ये dial और ये पूरा same लग रहे, तो I like the detailing so much. This was one of the reason why I got it actually. Everything is in same size. Just look at this, guys. It looks so pretty. And this is only 4000 rupees. I don't know ये अभी available है या नहीं, but if it's available, I think you guys should go and grab it क्योंकि it's only 4000 rupees. And look at the fitting and look at it, guys, कि ये कितना pretty लग रहे हैं. कोई ऐसा बोलेगा भी नहीं कि ये 1000 rupees में आया है because it looks that good, guys. I'm obsessed with this one. I've showed this watches to you all so many times, but I'm showing it again. So here's the watch which I was talking about. This is from this brand Timex, and I got this watch like 3 to 4 years back. Yeah, I got this 3 to 4 years back only, and इसका बैटरी अभी डेड है, बट मैंने इसमें बैटरी नहीं लगवाया because I don't use it too much. But the thing about this watch is मैंने ना ये वॉच का एक हुक निकलने को दिया था वो भैया को, और उन्होंने ऐसा 2 हुक निकल दिया, एंड नाउ इट्स लाइक जस्ट फिटिंग ऑन माई रिस्ट, जो मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. So I need to like add another hook here. So that's the reason I'm not wearing this, but I love this so much. It looks very classy and very rich. I got this for like 3.5k I think, so you guys can go and check it out. I still like this so much, but I need to get this fixed so that I can wear it, you know, again very soon. I love it, guys. The quality is amazing. It's heavy and it's nice. It looks very classy. Okay, so let me show you all the most recent one which I got yesterday only, and it got delivered in a day. This is from this brand named as Noise. Actually, you know what, guys, मेरे पास ना Noise का एक watch था pink color. If you guys have been following me for such a long time, then you guys know that I was obsessed with that watch, and I got that watch as a birthday gift. और वो watch ना recently मेरे घर में ही था, मतलब यहीं कहीं मेरे को देखा था, and now when I need it to count my steps, I can't find it, so I had to get a new one. I got this for like 1299, which is 1300, and this one is working. You guys can see it's 3:54 p.m. एंड यहाँ you guys can see अभी तक मैंने कितना steps चला है, which is 2375. I got this only to count my steps, but you can count your stress level, you can also count your sleep schedule and everything. Also look at the strap guys, the color is so pretty. I don't have anything in gray, तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. आई वॉन्टेड टू गेट एन एप्पल वॉच, बट मैंने बहुत सोचा कि एप्पल वॉच भी सेम ही काम करेगा, सो आई हैव दिस फॉर नाउ. इफ यू वांट टू काउंट योर स्टेप्स देन यू गाइस कैन गेट दिस फॉर योरसेल्फ. यू कैन ऑल्सो प्ले म्यूजिक फ्रॉम हियर, यू कैन ऑल्सो लाइक टॉक टू योर फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम हियर. मेरे फ़ोन के साथ कनेक्टेड है, तो जब भी मेरे फ़ोन में फ़ोन आता है तो मेरे को यहाँ नोटिफाई होते हैं, एंड आई कैन पिक अप फ्रॉम हियर एंड आई कैन पुट इट ऑन स्पीकर एंड आई कैन like speak like that. So I am obsessed with this one. It's only for 1299, so definitely go and check it out. I feel like this is worth the money. So yeah, that is it. And now let me show you all two glasses guys. So these are the two glasses that I want to talk about in this video. This is the first one which I got from Amazon and I got it last year. ये अभी थोड़ा बहुत गंदा है, but I still use it. I am sure you guys have seen me wearing this a lot. And I wear this during like my work time, like when I am editing, yeah, I'm using my phone. I like to use this because it has blue lens. The quality is so good. I've had this since last year and trust me guys, I have been wearing this since then. The quality is so good and also look at the print guys. I remember ये print ना last year बहुत trend में गया था. At that time only I got this and since then I've been wearing it. It's amazing. अभी थोड़ा बहुत ऐसा scratches आ गया है but I still use it. It's good guys. So अगर आप चश्मा नहीं भी पहनते but you use your phone a lot या you use your computer a lot, so you guys can go and check out this one क्योंकि it is going to save your eyes because it has blue lens. I'm sure आप लोग phone बहुत चलाते होंगे and if you guys can't control your screen time, I think you should get this glass क्योंकि it's only for 550 something and the quality is amazing. There are more ऐसा क्या बोलूँ, more colors available, so you guys can go and check it out. And here's our last product, that is a sunglass which I got from Amazon. And I'm showing you all this here क्योंकि ना it is in a very good quality and the detailing is amazing. मैंने ये पहले भी दिखाया था and I've been wearing it a lot. So yeah, it looks like this. It has this very chic and very classy wala vibe and it's amazing guys. This is a designer dupe, so you guys can go and check it out. This is only for 450 something. It is amazing and you get this with this box guys. The quality is amazing. Okay, so I would highly recommend you all, आप लोग जाके check out कर सकते हैं. There is like one silver one also available, but this is the classic one, the gold one. So I got this one, but it's your wish कि आप कौन सा लेना चाहते हैं. So yeah, with that we are done with this video and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll be linking everything in my description box, so you guys can go and check it out. And if you made it till here, don't forget to comment this emoji ताकि मेरे को पता चले कि you made it till here. And I'll see you all very soon with my next video. Bye guys, take care.